That was so good. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nathan, this is your Masters. So first of all, I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who's liked, subscribed, disliked, like this, and all of my videos. And today we have the Ozmo 950. What? It's no longer new? No. The T8 is the newest robot vacuum. I'm mind blown. The new Ozmo robot vacuum. I will be getting that Saturday of this weekend and have the video up, I believe, Sunday. But this is the Ozmo 950. I felt we could just do a quick comparison of the two and my first thoughts of this new robot vacuum called the Deebot T8. What? T8? Is that like a new Terminator? Who knows? But let's just first talk about the Ozmo T8. This is the 950 and it looks like the T8 is very similar. Has that Lidar Navigation, also has the pressure sensor. Playing furniture, you can bump into it and react to it so it doesn't hit its dome or knobby thing. So like the Ozmo 950 has a very clean look. You got the single button right here, so if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it returns to home. Press it once for cleaning. And it gives you that nice instruction manual right there to tell you how to do it. And lastly, you got the QR code. So for app pairing, just use your camera smartphone, scan the QR code, and you're good to go. Okay, so like on the 950, the T8 has a very similar design. Nothing too different about it. I did search the web about the T8. There's not much about the T8, but we'll definitely check out Deebot's website and go over some of the specs. Now, since the T8 has the new 950 platform or 930 platform, it should look very similar. The only difference is it's going to have that front-facing camera designed to recognize objects, also recognize new objects like chair legs, also can recognize shoelaces and some other objects. I'll definitely show that in this video coming up. And lastly, here's the underneath of the robot. Should have a very similar design with the extractor bar, has the cliff sensors, the charging contacts, and I do like the fact it has dual side brushes. Look, these guys don't spin too fast so they don't scatter a lot of debris around, a lot of facts. Sorry for seeing it in some flow. Didn't mean to put you out there. Okay, lastly we got the mopping pad. It's electronically controlled, so you can control the water flow through the app. Very nice. Look at this, guys. Great for going over thresholds, anything you want, pets, small children, whatever. This guy can climb over everything. Good job. Alright, let's go ahead and bust out my handy dandy smartphone. This is the Galaxy Note 9, and you can see the website here. Very nice. I like Deebot's website. It's very interactive, and there's some of the models. So here's the 960 I reviewed on my channel. I will put a link in the description of the 960 and the 950 video reviews I've done. So let's go ahead and jump into the T8. As you can see, both the 950 and T8 look very similar. So here's all the images here. We can look at that front-facing camera. And if you notice, it's very similar underneath the robot. Look at that, guys. No difference whatsoever. It's a 930 or 950 platform. Very cool. And look on the side. See that? No difference. Very, very similar. About scrolling down here. So it's a 2-in-1 vacuum, so it has both the vacuuming capabilities and mopping, so you can do that simultaneously. As it's running along, it will sweep, vacuum up the debris, and then at the end will mop up the dust and all the other particles that are left behind. Okay, so here's all the new stuff it can recognize. Now it can recognize power cables, also can recognize U-shaped furniture, slippers, socks, and also rugs, like vacuum rugs. Very, very cool. Look at this, folks. Now I can take pictures of my dogs and record video. Awesome. This is a really cool feature I'm excited about. It's basically a mobile security camera. So you can drive around your house, view the live feed of the Ozmo T8, and you can also check on your pets, check on your loved ones. Also, there's a microphone icon, so it allows you to speak to the robot. I don't know if it's a two-way communication where you can actually hear what people are saying. Try out that feature. Okay, so it looks like the T8 could also recognize toilet paper, so it'll go around those objects. Alright, so here's the difference between the 960 and the T8. The new camera has been improved. It can see objects up to 2 times farther away, so it's able to react quicker. Also has 4 times the map resolution, so now your maps are more accurate. The robot going around slippers. And there's that U-shaped furniture. Great for if the robot doesn't detect those thin bars on your furniture, it actually can avoid those. I actually had a problem with the Roborock. It would actually get up on top of those thin metal bars and it wasn't able to back out because the Lidar sensor couldn't see it and also the bump sensor couldn't see those types of chair legs. Okay, so here's basically some more information. I'm just going to scroll down here. Alright, so this is something that's really cool that you don't see on the robot vacuum. It's called a time-of-flight sensor. What this allows you to do is actually measure like how far away an object is using time-of-flight measurements. We do this in the space industry. It's very cool. A sensor, it's something that a lot of robot vacuums don't have because it's not necessary, because they can get by with infrared sensors, bump sensors, and their main sensor, either a camera system or a Lidar sensor. But time-of-flight sensors are great for that accurate object recognition. So it has the advanced map management, so you can save up to 3 floor plans, kind of like on the Ozmo 950. Has the virtual wall boundaries, has area select, and like the 950 series, you have that 5200 milliamp hour battery, which provides up to 200 minutes, the longest of any robot vacuum to date. You also have the recharge and resume, which is great in case 200 minutes is enough. You can go back to the charger, charge up, and then resume where it left off. And you got that filter, which can capture 99% as small as 6 microns, very nice. So you got that 20mm threshold capability. And there's that recharge and resume, and it works with Alexa and Google. Unfortunately, it's only start and stop commands. You cannot tell it to go to a specific room. And that's it. So I'm super excited to try out the Deebot T8, and I should have it Saturday and have the video uploaded with probably Sunday, hopefully this weekend. Okay, you guys have a great rest of your day. So like and subscribe, and be safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.